Good afternoon, Dr. Abante. Good afternoon, classmate. This is Richie Antonio. I'm here to report the introduction of entrepreneurial management. So the topic to be discussed is entrepreneurial management definition, importance of having an entrepreneurial management plan, principles of entrepreneurial management, elements of entrepreneurial management process, importance of entrepreneurial management, and entrepreneurial risk management. So, unang-una, ang tinatanong ng lahat, ano nga ba ang entrepreneur? So, sabi, ang entrepreneur is an individual who creates a new business bearing most of the risk and enjoying of the rewards. So, did you know na ang salitang entrepreneur ay nanggaling sa French word na ang ibig sabihin ay entre which means between and pendre which is means to take. Pero sa Merriam-Webster Dictionary, no, ang entrepreneur is dinidefine siya na someone who organizes, manage and assumes the risk of a business or an enterprise. They say that entrepreneurs are change agents. So bakit nga ba sila tinatawag na change agent? Because they see needs, wants, and problem as a challenges to be overcome, and they know they are the people who can help to find solution and meet needs. Entrepreneurs also know that they have unique skills and talents that can make a difference in the world. They know that they can use their skills and talents to meet needs, do something in a new way, add beauty, or solve a problem. Also, alam nyo ba na yung entrepreneurs, meron silang vision for what they can contribute to the society and are willing to do work required to plan and launch a business enterprise to achieve that. So, pag nag-reach na ng entrepreneur yung goals nila, the entrepreneurs create jobs for themselves, or sometimes sa ibang tao, gumagawa sila. So, merong tanong tinatanong ng lahat, um, sino ba, can you be an entrepreneur or ako, pwede ba ako? The answer is a big yes. Ngayon, yung youth entrepreneurs, nagmamanage sila ng business while they go to school, working other jobs, volunteering, and taking other activities. So let me share a story, no? I have this 10 years old daughter na sobrang kulit na laging magtinda ng kung ano-ano ang sinasabi. Ang gusto niya. So, sinabi ko to sa isang tao na napapagkatiwalaan ko. So sabi ko yung anak ko gusto magtinda ng ganito. So sabi niya sa akin, suportahan ko daw, malay ko yung daughter ko yung maging next Henry C. So ako na-realize ko, oo nga no, why not to support them? So nagkaroon siya ng ipon challenge na project sa school. From that money, she first started to order some beads sa Shopee. Then nagulat na lang ako na nag-aalok siya sa FB ko before na face mask holder. So before she don't have ano pa Facebook pa eh. So may mga bumibili, yung mga tita niya, pinsan niya. And then recently lang no, naghanap ako ng supplier for lip tint. Pabango. Ayun, yung pera na kinita niya sa paggawa ng bracelet, face mask, holder, yung natirang ipon, ginamit namin para makabili or para makapag-start siya ng business. So, ayun, I have a 10 years old entrepreneurial kids. So, from that, no, shinare ko lang na even a 10 years old can be an entrepreneur. So, next is, what is entrepreneurial management? According to Robert Calvino, creating successful business plans, raising capital and structuring deals, maximizing profits and growth. Um, Entrepreneurial management is a concept of utilizing and creative and innovative abilities, skills, and expertise to efficiently open and manage a start organization. It is means of solving a mass problem, a unique and profitable business solution. So ano nga ba yung mga importance ng entrepreneurial management plan? So one is establish clear goal. With an entrepreneur management plan, nag-establish ka ng isang goals na gusto mong i-achieve sa magsisimula pa lang. This includes short terms, katulad na lang ng pag-launch ng first product, kung ano nga ba klaseng marketing strategies ang kailangan mong gawin. And long terms, like generating a certain number of sales. Ilan ang target mo na pieces or value na mabebenta mo sa loob ng isang buwan. Having a clear goals, it can help everyone involved with the startup stay motivated and they know what they're working to achieve. This is also help you to determine what action you need to take to reach goal. So next natin is coordinate action. So, sobrang bilis ma-achieve na isang goal kung ang lahat na yung nagko-coordinate, di ba? Teamwork nga ba? Teamwork nga. With an entrepreneur management plan, madedetermine mo kung ano yung next action mo sa startup to take and who will perform them. Mapping these actions can also help you identify any missing action before beginning and ensure that your assign action at least one. So, next natin is improve improve resource management. So, limited resources such as funds, staff, and time may be typical for a new business. Diba? Siyempre, pag bago lang yung business, na konti lang naman talaga yung mga capital, yung tao, konti lang. So, the owners are working to grow the customer base in it. Therefore, it is important for entrepreneurial management na siguraduhin na nagagamit ang resources effectively. Next is to create performance. Sorry. Uh, Next is to create performance standards. Through an entrepreneur management plan, you'll define your desired outcomes and when you want to achieve them. You can use these as your performance standards and judge if your business is on schedule. For example na lang, no, if you set a goal to launch your product in 6 months, you can check your progress pa lang within 3 months, no, nung lumabas yung product na yun, to ensure that you're halfway done. If you're not, if you're not, you can adjust your methods to make achieving your goals more likely. Next is balance risk. An entrepreneur management plan establishes how the entrepreneur will balance their personal risk with their role within the company. Learning how to balance personal risk can help entrepreneurs better prepare for unexpected issues. For example, it may outline how much of their own money the entrepreneur unsafe na pwede nilang i-invest. So next slide natin is the principles of entrepreneurial management. First is the mission and value statement. A mission statement is a description of why the entrepreneurial enterprise exists. The purpose is to define why you started the business and what you hope to achieve with it. A value statement describes the values you want your startup to embody. For example, the developer of a new mobile app. For a photographers, may list values such as creativity, accessibility. Next is the specific goals. Entrepreneurial management includes setting specific goals for the new ventures. Next is the growth strategy. With a growth strategy, the entrepreneur determine how they are going to reach their goals. They consider the resources they'll need and how they'll best use those resources. It's important for entrepreneurs to take the time to plan out a growth strategy to use resources efficiently. Next is organizational structure. An organizational structure determines how work usually flows throughout the organization. For example, as the head of the business, you may assign your marketing manager with creating a new advertising plan, who then assigns different tasks to those working in your marketing department. The structure essentially defines the hierarchy of your business. It is important for entrepreneurs to consider the best structure for their startup to implement an efficient one. Next is the right people. Hiring the right people is an important step for the entrepreneurs to create an efficient team. As the business progress, they may decide which tasks they want to delegate and search for the right people to them. The first employees are also important resources to help the business achieve its goals. When selecting a team, an entrepreneur may look for those who have the right skills and knowledge and are also comfortable working in a startup environment. Next is the finance strategy. Um, Entrepreneurs also determine how they're going to pay for different business items and resources. Creating a strong financing strategy can help the entrepreneurs to understand their financial status when making business plans. In entrepreneurial management, the entrepreneur outline all their sources of funds. They will also detail how much their different operation cost and when they need to make this payment. So for now, thank you. This is the end of my report. Next is my partner, Miss Fatima Bukbo. Thank you.